Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 174, effective until 4 a.m. Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in Arkansas: Hempstead, Howard, Little River, Montgomery, Pike, Polk, P, O, L, K, Scott, and severe. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here are the latest weather conditions at 10 p.m.